Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send TRX from Crypto.com to Arculus Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your TRX tokens securely and efficiently, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check your steps to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have both a Crypto.com account with TRX in it and an Arculus wallet set up and ready to receive funds. Double check that your Arculus wallet address is correct. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 1. Open your Crypto.com app and log in to your account. Navigate to the Wallets section and select the TRX asset from your portfolio. You'll see your TRX balance there. Ensure you have enough to cover any network fees. Next, tap on the Withdraw or Transfer option for TRX. This will prompt you to enter the destination address. Carefully copy and paste your Arculus wallet address from the Arculus app. Pro tip: use the QR code feature if available to avoid typing errors. Now, enter the amount of TRX you want to send. Take a moment to review the transaction details, including fees and the final amount. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and authenticate with your Crypto.com security settings, like a PIN or biometric verification. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on the Tron network. Head over to your Arculus wallet app and refresh to see if the TRX has arrived. A quick word of caution: always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication to protect your assets. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And that's it. You've successfully transferred TRX from Crypto.com to your Arculus wallet. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe and happy trading. See you in the next video.